Hello, gypsy souls and adventure lovers. Welcome to my blog and thank you so much for visiting. Today I am making a cooling spray to give away as a prize. I live in Virginia and it gets pretty warm and muggy, and because I spend so much time outdoors, I thought a natural essential oil cooling spray would be super fun to make and give away. So thank you again for coming and visiting my blog. This is a gift that I'm going to be giving away for those who, it's a chance to win for those who like my business Facebook page, which is Gypsy Soul Essential Oils, and also for subscribing to my live broadcasting shows on Facebook. And I'll have a link for you to click so that you can subscribe. And on my live shows, I talk about pet wellness. Frisky Friday is one of my themes when using essential oils to rev up the romance. And let's see, Tip Tuesdays. There's all kinds of things that I love to share about how essential oils can help you to have emotional breakthroughs and also health and wellness and supporting your body. So let's get started on our air conditioning in a bottle spray. Now what I have here is a 1 ounce little plastic bottle. If you want to make a larger amount, that certainly is fine, but I'm thinking this is going to fit fine in your pool bag or in your backpack if you are hiking up the mountain. So this is just a 1 ounce spray. And in this little shot glass here is 1 tablespoon of witch hazel and 1 tablespoon of distilled water. I'm going to switch hands so I can get this in here without spilling it. Yeah, let me see if I can do this on camera. Oh, my heavens to Betsy. Okay, we got it in there. I love when you, I ordered these from Amazon, and you can get the, they come with the lids of the pump sprays, of course, and these little funnels. I love it. So inside, in the essential oils that goes into the cooling spray are is lavender and peppermint. Okay, lavender and peppermint. So I am going to put 2 drops each of the lavender and the peppermint. And let's see here. I use lavender a lot. My little puppy likes it. It's also for wonderful for helping you to go sleep at night. Okay, I'm just going to go in here. 1, 2. Those are some big squirts there. It's a little more than a little drop. You don't want to add too much peppermint. It is considered a hot oil, so I'm going to be really careful about how much peppermint I put in here. So there's 1, 2. Okay, there we go. This is so easy, you guys. Then you just put your twisty top in there. It is best to have glass, but like I said, you know, if you're going to be by the pool, you don't want to have glass, and if you're going to be hiking up a mountain, you don't want the weight of it. So all you have to do is shake it up and spray it on. Now make sure that you don't spray your face because you don't want to get it in your eyes. You can spray it on the back of your neck. It also feels good. I'm spraying it on your feet, and oh my goodness, it smells so good, so good. So remember, I am giving this away this week, and it only takes for a chance to enter into the contest is to like my business page, Gypsy Soul Essential Oils, and also to subscribe to my live broadcasting shows on Facebook. That's it for today, guys. Hope that you enjoyed this blog post, and I will see you again soon. Peace, love, and serenity now, baby. Bye. See you next time. Don't forget to comment. Oh, yeah, I forgot to say that. Be sure to come back and post and comment in this blog so that I know that you have a chance to win. Okay, that's it. Thanks, guys.